Can you introduce yourself and tell us a little about what you do here at UCSB?
Hi, my name is Jerry Erhel, and a little bit about what I do is I obviously take classes. I also do research work at the Marine Science Institute, and this summer I am diving full-time with them.
You said you do research at the Marine Science Institute. Can you tell me a little more about that?
Yes, so the research lab that I'm in is called the Cassell Lab, and we also, our PI also runs PCO, which is an organization that studies marine protected areas around the Channel Islands, and there are also other schools that are involved with it. So this summer, we will be scuba diving out at the Channel Islands or Ivy Reef to look at the marine protected areas and also reference sites, which are like just parts of the ocean that are not included as like marine protected areas. And so we will be looking at invertebrates, algae, fish, so we'll be counting those and comparing their population. During the regular school year, we are also looking at other aspects of the ocean. So we are counting fish, but also doing research in a tropical island south of Hawaii called Palmyra, and there we study corals.
Sounds like you do a lot of different things in the lab.
Yeah.
How did you get involved in this work?
So the summer after my first year, I got a scholarship called Eureka, and they they put us into a workshop where we got trained to become undergraduate researchers, how to interact with scientific researchers professionally and and they also gave me a scholarship to work with a lab of any lab that we could get involved in. So yeah, I got that scholarship. I reached out to Professor or Dr. Jen Cassell, and I got involved with their research. And I'm still continuing to do research right now.
It's really interesting to hear about how you got here and the beginnings with the Eureka Scholarship. Do you have any idea how this research will impact your plans post-college?
It will definitely, right now it's already impacting me or my career a lot. It's opening my eyes to what works well for me and what doesn't work well for me. Was I actually interested in this kind of work, or was it just a dream or something? So yeah, first it's making me learn stuff about myself, but also second, I am through research, I am able to network with people and learn about other aspects of the marine biology field that is kind of unfortunately kind of an insider thing, or you never really know or understand that part of the field if you don't really experience it, kind of thing. Yeah.
You talk a little about knowing that this was something that was right for you and not just a dream. Can you recount a feeling or a moment where you knew that this was correct for you?
Mostly when during high school, I was really adamant. I was really set into wanting to become a pilot, and then I was I got an opportunity to fly a plane from my through a friend, and I got that experience, and I was I don't really see myself doing this. So I was okay, what are the other options? And